All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the signed cleat winner's choice number 2. So we'll check the time August 13th at 8:16 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have August 13th at 8:16 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Dan. Spot 9 is your winner. So Dan, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, August 13th, 8:17 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.